Hey guys, for today's video, I'm gonna be teaching you how to see Spotify backgrounds. With this tutorial, you're gonna be able to listen and watch at the same time. So, by Spotify backgrounds, I mean those videos that play on loop while you're listening to the audio. And it's actually very simple to access if you don't have it on already. Just go to Spotify, and then the gear icon at the top right corner. Scroll down to playback, and then you will see a ton of options. And now you can go to canvas. It says display short looping visuals on tracks. So just turn that on, and if I actually show you as an example, it shows the video while I'm playing it. And it's actually that simple. If you think this video was helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below.